Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Enchanting Endeavors, and this is Mayurika. Today's vlog is truly special. We are diving into the vibrant celebration of Rath Yatra that took place right here in Calgary, Alberta on June 23rd, 2025. Now, if you've ever experienced Rath Yatra in India, especially in Puri, you know how grand and spiritually uplifting it is. But witnessing this ancient festival come alive thousands of miles away from its birthplace in the heart of Canada, it's a testament to how beautifully traditions travel and thrive, no matter where we are. The atmosphere was electric from the moment I arrived. The streets of Calgary were buzzing with colorful attire, joyful chants, and a sea of smiling faces. Families, seniors, children, and youth, all united in devotion and celebration. At the center of it all stood the beautifully decorated Rath or chariot of Lord Jagannath. Along with his siblings Balaram and Shubhadra, the chariot was adorned with bright fabrics, flower garlands, and symbolic motifs. Every inch radiated devotion and craftsmanship. The story of Rath Yatra dates back thousands of years and centers around Lord Jagannath, an avatar of Lord Krishna, along with his siblings Balaram and Shubhadra. According to the tradition, once a year the three deities leave their grand temple in Puri, Orissa, and ride on beautifully decorated wooden chariots to visit their aunt's temple in Gundicha temple a few kilometers away. The symbolic journey represents the Lord's desire to come out of his shrine and be among his devotees, allowing people from all walks of life to have his darshan. The festival celebrates unity, devotion, and the joy of divine presence moving along freely through the streets, blessing everyone along the way. Rath Yatra is not just a procession, it's a celebration of love between God and his devotees, echoing with music, faith, and festivity. Then came the most awaited moment, the pulling of the chariot. Hundreds of hands reached for the ropes, each one eager to be a part of the divine journey. It is believed that pulling the rath brings good fortune, washes away sins, and brings one closer to Lord Jagannath. And you could feel that spiritual intensity in the air. People weren't just pulling a chariot, they were pulling their hopes, prayers, and devotion alongside it. Pulling the ropes of Lord Jagannath's chariot during the Rath Yatra is considered deeply sacred and spiritual act. Devotees believe that by helping to pull the chariot, they are symbolically drawing the Lord closer to their hearts and lives. It is said that this selfless act washes away sins, grants divine blessing, and helps one progress on the path of liberation. The ropes are not just physical tools, they represent the bond between the devotee and the divine. No matter one's background, everyone is equal in front of the Lord. Finally, the much awaited moment arrived. The Rath procession began from the riverfront avenue as the chariot of Lord Jagannath accompanied by Balabhadra and Shubhadra, as the chariot gracefully made its way into the lush grounds of Princess Island Park. The celebration took on a whole new dimension. There was a vibrant cultural festival awaited, with the stage performances showcasing Indian classical dances and bhajans, a free vegetarian feast served to all, cultural exhibits that highlighted the heritage of Rath Yatra, and delightful kids' booth filled with activities, face painting, and fun learning about Indian traditions. It was a perfect blend of devotion, culture, community. A divine day under Calgary's summer sky. The main stage came alive with mesmerizing Odissi dances, lively children's group performances, heart touching devotional dramas and music, and deeply moving spiritual discourses that brought the essence of Rath Yatra to life. Surrounding the grounds were vibrant cultural exhibits, a deity booth where devotees offered prayers, gift stalls selling traditional Indian attire, beautiful handcrafted items, and spiritual bookstalls offering wisdom from ancient text. It was more than a festival, it was a divine celebration of culture, devotion, and unity in the heart of Calgary. The aroma of delicious street food added another layer of joy to the celebration. Among the most popular were the Pani Puri stalls, constantly surrounded by excited visitors, eagerly waiting for that perfect burst of spicy, tangy flavor. The crisp puris, filled fresh and fast, brought nostalgic smiles to many faces. Nearby, milkshake stalls offered a refreshing break from the summer heat, with cool and creamy blends in classic Indian flavors. These stalls became instant favorites, especially among families and kids. The combination of festive food and spiritual joy created a truly unforgettable atmosphere. Adding to the warmth of the celebration was a free vegetarian feast, lovingly served to all the attendees. It wasn't just symbolic, it was a wholesome, filling lunch that truly brought people together. Each platter was thoughtfully arranged with steamed rice, rich and flavorful paneer curry, soft and fluffy puris, a traditional Indian sweet, and a side of crispy chips. Volunteers served every guest with a smile, creating an atmosphere of hospitality and equality. For many, sharing this meal under the open sky, surrounded by joy, devotion, and community, became one of the most heartwarming moments of the day. Thoughtful arrangements were also made to ensure a comfort and inclusivity for everyone attending. A separate booth was set up, especially for seniors and volunteers. Among the crowd favorite was the kulfi booth, offering a sweet, creamy escape from the summer sun. The traditional Indian ice cream, served on sticks, came in classic flavors like malai, pistachio, and mango. And of course, no festival is complete without a little extra sweetness for the kids. The cotton candy booth was a huge hit with children, who watched in delight as fluffy pink and blue clouds of spun sugar were twirled onto sticks. As the sun began to set, the joyful echoes of bhajans faded into the evening breeze. The spirit of Rath Yatra lingered in every heart. It was more than just a festival. It was a powerful reminder of how culture, devotion, and community can come together to create something truly magical, even far from home. From the sacred chariot journey to the vibrant performances, delicious food, and the laughter of children. Every moment was filled with connection and meaning. As I left Princess Island Park, I felt deeply grateful to be a part of this beautiful celebration. So until next year, Jai Jagannath.